Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to cover one important question for interview related to the manual testing. And for experience, obviously, it will be seems like a very simple question, but for freshers or for the ones who recently joined or recently started their career in the software testing field and they are looking for an interview and they are basically going for the interview, they generally get this question like, what is the difference between the regression and retesting? And if I talk about the answer, let's talk about the first one. What is regression testing? Okay. So when we say regression means w- like mostly they will ask like when exactly you perform regression. Okay. So your answer should be like whenever dev team change any code or due to any reason, right? So we need to perform that regression testing. Now the question after that they will ask you like why dev team change the code. So you can say Uh, it could be any reason, right? Like maybe they are implementing some new logic, maybe they are doing some new features implementation, maybe they are doing some bug fixing, right? And maybe they are doing some performance optimization, right? So in any of these cases they will be doing some changes, maybe to a specific module or maybe to a specific feature, right? So if they are doing some changes in one of the modules, okay, then it is your responsibility to perform or to rerun all those test cases which are basically depends or which are created for that particular module, right? So here we are not talking about a single test case, we are talking about a group of test cases which are related or which are somehow integrated or interlinked with that functionality which has been changed by a dev team due to any of these reasons. Okay, but if you see, I didn't talk here anything related to the retesting, right? Because I'm not retesting, I'm doing a regression testing, right? They did some change, I'm just checking what is the impact of that change, right? Maybe they fixed module A and module A is linked with module B, right? So the change, due to this change the module B is not working, right? It could be anything, right? So you are checking A as well as B because B, E, and A both are somewhat integrated. Okay, so that's what regression testing is all about. Now they will ask you like what all test cases you should include in regression testing. So again, you can collect all those test cases which have frequent defects, right? Those are the major ones, right? For that module. Again, the test cases of functionalities which has undergone more and recent changes, right? Like if they have done some recent changes, you can add those test cases as well. And the core feature of the product, right? You have to test it. If it is a payment gateway, you have to test the payment. Even if they have changed something related to the maybe some fee, maybe some product or something, right? Or try to add the complex test cases, right? The like the major ones again. And all the integration test cases means again the ones which are somehow linked to that module, right? So you need to fix those test cases or you need to run those test cases as well. So this is how you can create your regression suite based on the changes they will do, right? You can identify, okay, I have to run these set of test cases. You can say I have to run 20 test cases based on this change, or I have to rerun 30 test cases based on these test cases based on the impact, correct? Now, if you talk about the retesting on the other hand, retesting simply means like if if I logged one bug just now, okay, due to some bugs, due to some issue in the functionality, I'm gonna retest it once it is fixed by the developer. Okay, so it is a process to check that specific test case, right, which is failed due to that bug. So you are going to re-verify that bug and you are going to re-verify that test case which is failed due to that bug. That's it. You are not gonna check the impact. When we talk about the impact, then we are indirectly talking about the regression. They fixed the bug, right? You checked that bug, now it is working properly, now the test case is passed, but it could be possible that because of this bug fix, the previous functionality which you have just tested before that was broken, which is working earlier, right? So that impact testing, right, has to be done as a part of regression. So I hope this will clear your doubts for regression and retesting. If you still have any questions, you can put it in the chat. Thanks. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this will help for you guys. Thank you.